Installing shed windows, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, install shed windows. Whether you're building a shed from scratch or upgrading an existing one, understanding how to install windows can significantly enhance your shed's functionality and appearance. Let's break down this phrase and guide you through the process, making it simple and comprehensible for English language learners. Install shed windows combines two key activities: installation, which means to put something in place so that it is ready for use, and shed windows, which refer to the types of windows specifically designed or used for a shed. A shed is a simple, single-story structure in a back garden or on an allotment that is used for storage, hobbies, or as a workshop. So, when we say, install shed windows, we're talking about the process of putting windows into a shed to allow for natural light and ventilation. Installing windows in your shed has several benefits. Firstly, it allows natural light to enter, making the interior brighter and more welcoming. This is particularly important if you use the shed as a workspace or hobby area. Secondly, windows provide ventilation, which is essential for keeping the air inside fresh and for preventing the buildup of humidity and odors. Lastly, windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your shed, making it look more attractive and potentially increasing your property's value. 1. Measure and plan. Before purchasing or constructing windows, measure the space on your shed where you intend to install them. Consider the size, style, and how they will open. 2. Choose your windows. Select windows that fit your measurements, budget, and style preferences. Look for durable materials suited for outdoor use. 3. Prepare the opening. If you're working on an existing shed, you'll need to cut an opening for the new windows. Use a saw to cut the wall following your measurements carefully. 4. Install the window frame. Place the window frame in the opening and secure it with screws or nails. Ensure it's level and properly aligned. 5. Seal and finish. Once the frame is in place, seal around it with caulk to prevent water ingress and drafts. Then, install any necessary trim or finishing touches around the window. We hope this video has shed light on the process of installing shed windows and the benefits it brings to your outdoor structure. Whether for practical use or to beautify your space, adding windows can make a significant difference to your shed. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more English language learning tips in our next video. Happy building!